Hi guys! So for today's video is I buy this gift for my husband. It's his birthday today. Kaya ayan, ito lang yung binili ko kasi most of the toes is he's already got it. He's actually got a nail gun already that is bigger. So it uses a bigger nails. Tapos ito siya is 18 gauge lang yung gamit niya. Kaya as you can see here, ayan, smaller siya, brad nails. Ayan. O, diba? Perfect siya sa mga small projects. So, at the same time is, makagamit ko rin to kasi, kayang-kaya ko siya i-handle. Ayan. So, hindi, siya pala guys, this cost 99 bucks. So, ito lang yung tools lang yun ha. Battery and charger is not included. Kaya, you need to buy them separately. Tapos, may kasama siyang 1,000 pieces na brad nails na 18 gauge sa package. So, yun lang yung kasama niya. Walang charger at saka walang battery. So, ayan. 20 volts lithium battery yung gamit nito. Ayan siya. As you can see, ganyan. Bauer. Ayan. Kasi hindi naman to yung high brand na nail gun. So, ito pong pang everyday use lang to siya guys. So, just like me, I can use it actually, which is so perfect kasi magagamit ko talaga siya. So, dito yung battery nilalagay. Tapos, ayan guys. Ayan, niloadan na namin siya ng battery dito. Ayan, so ito yung, niloadan na namin siya ng nails. Ayan. O, diba? Tapos dito siya lalabas. Ayan siya guys. Lalabas siya dyan. And then, hindi ko maano kasi. Okay, so ayan na. So, sinara ko na ulit. Tapos, ito yung buttons niya. On and off. Ayan. So, karamihan sa tools ngayon guys is hindi nakasama yung charger at battery. Tapos, pag bumili ka ng battery is may kamahalan din. Ayan siya. So, alam mo talaga, I'm excited talaga kasi I can actually use this for myself. Well, manghihiram ako. So, ayan. Perfect siya if you're gonna use them for small projects. Halimbawa na lang is yung mga baseboard, diba, sa bahay. Yung mga baseboard, tapos crown molding, which is I have to actually do sooner. Ayan, so kasi hindi ko pa tapos maglagay ng mga baseboard at crown molding dito sa bahay. So, in-start ko na before, kaya lang, yung mga nails is really big, so I stopped doing it until now. So, it means I can do it. Right, diba? So, ito na nga guys, yung brad nails niya. So, in a case, there is 5,000 yung laman nito. So, overall, 10,000 siya. And this is like $12.99 yung... Oh no, I didn't include it. So, let me show you the battery, guys. So, this is the battery. Kasi meron na kami, so hindi na kayo bumili. Ayan, 20 volts siya. Oh, diba? Kasi marami kaming tools na ganito. Ayan. So, hindi na namin kailangan bumuli ng battery. Tapos, ano na lang natin yan dito. So, ito is charge na siya. Handali. Oh, ayan guys. So, ayan siya. Makikita nyo, yung color niya is magkaiba na kasi ito is luma na siya. Tapos ito is yung brand new color. Medyo nag-fade na yung kulay ng isa. Kaya, ayan siya guys. Oops. Wow. Oh, ayan. Umilaw na. Nakita nyo guys. So, umilaw na siya. Ayan yung ilaw. Yeah, so. Hold on. It's kind of hard actually to. Well, I guess the light turned on kasi may na-press ako. Okay, so we actually gonna try to use it now. So ito naman guys is another tool. So Recon. Ito ay digital tape measure. Napakaganda niya. Napaka-cute. Napaka-cute, I mean. Tapos, ayan. Inopen ko na kahit hindi naman sa akin. So, ako na yung nag-unbox. Oh, so, diba yan? So, very cute. Yung lalagyan is napaka-secured. Tapos, yan siya yung parang case ng tape measure. Tapos, yung battery, naging yellow melon na siya. Oh, diba? Ayan. So, yellow yung battery. Tapos, ayan, kung ano man yan. Babasahin. Quick start guide. Pero ako, hindi naman ako nagbabasa ng instruction. Minsan lang. Tapos, ayan siya guys. Parang may holster. O parang holster yung style niya, no? Ayan, pwede nyo ilagay sa belt nyo. Ayan. Especially if you're working by yourself na you don't have no time or there's no way na kailangan mong i-carry all on your hand. Ayan, pwede nyo ilagay sa side pocket or side belt nyo. O, diba? Napaka tibay ng pagkakagawa niya. So, diba, safe siya talaga kasi may ano sa ilalim, parang may floor siya sa ilalim na sumasalo pag ilalagay mo. Ayan, 25 feet siya and then 7.6 meter yung haba ng tape measure. So, kung makikita nyo, ayan, nandyan yung monitor niya. So, wala pang battery yan. Hindi pa nilagay yung battery kaya hindi nyo pa makita. Tapos, ayan, yung power switch, yung pwede nyo i-delete yata if you don't want that measurement that you already taken. Pwede nyo i-delete. Tapos, yan. So, this is small. Actually, no, it's big for a tape measure. But very, very heavy. Ayan, so, nag-measure na kami. So, yan. Tapos, alam niyo guys, yung tape measure niya is napakatibay. Kahit yung feel pa lang niya is super tibay. Hindi yung, di ba pag nagtitape measure ka or gumagamit yan ng tape measure tapos magbe-bend. Kasi yung material niya is cheap or hindi masyadong hard yung ginamit nilang material sa tape measure. So, ayan, mini-measure na namin from end to end. Hindi ako humawak sa end niya. So, steady lang siya. So, yung husband ko yung humawak sa other side. Tapos ako, ano lang ako. Then, sa gitna lang ako, nag-video. So, yan na nga. Ayan siya guys, napakahaba. Hindi lang yan ha. So, yan, makikita nyo. So, hinawakan ko na siya sa end. Tapos, yan. Yeah, this is just a fancy type of tape measure actually. Yeah. Yan lang naman, pero parang tingnan nyo siya guys. So, oh, diba? Ayan na. Ayan. Nakita nyo, I move it, then I move. Then, put it back. There you go. Alright guys, so ngayon tinignan namin is, it's actually have this laser light para measure nyo through laser. Ayan. So, hindi lang pala siya regular measuring tape. Ayan siya guys. Diba, nakikita nyo ba yan? Ayan. This and that. So guys, itatry ko siya dito. Did you hear that? it's actually pretty nice because you can see it and it's not like stir like our other one. Because see, that one doesn't, even me, I'm so scared to use that. My husband been asking me to try and use it, but I don't even want to try it.